What's up, everyone? Quick video here. Just a really quick video I'm gonna do. This is one of the ADT the blue by ADT sensors. It just stopped working. It won't connect anymore. The system says it's not working. So I tried, changing out the batteries and all that. Still doesn't work. Brand new batteries too. Tried removing it and putting it back, and it just doesn't work. Anyway, enough explanation on why. You're all here for the disassembly. So, looks like there is a clip holding in from the top. Okay. So, here's basically a frame, the cover that holds this bit in. Here is the motherboard. Let's have a look at that. Can't seem to find the antenna. It must be very small. Here's the tamper switch. I'll show you right there. Bring it closer to the camera. That's the tamper switch. Can't seem to find the antenna. Probably underneath this shield, which is, oh, my screwdriver's magnetic. Here is actually the sensor that aligns with the magnet. Here, I'll show you a magnet. That aligns with that. I guess the magnetic field will tell it, hey, it's working, you know. I kind of want to open up that shield cover, but it looks like it's soldered on. I'll do it anyway. I don't plan to repair this. No, we popped that off. Couldn't open that. I'll find a way to open it. Hang on. Okay. Got it. With the help of something called my wrench. Alright. So it looks like there's a microprocessor down there. Still no sign of an antenna. Because what I was trying to compare was the... oh shoot, it looks like there's a terminal for an antenna right there. I didn't even see it. And it doesn't connect to anything in here. So... yeah, it looks like that could be the antenna right there. But if, here's the board. I'll show you in case you want to tell me in the comments where it really is, unless I was right. So yeah, there's a little microprocessor on this board. Yeah, it's just a door and window sensor from blue by ADT. One of them's broken already. I don't know how many more will be broken. I was never that enthusiastic about the system in the first place. But yeah, that's it for this video. 4 minutes. It's about 4 minutes, yeah. It'll be posted on possibly a Wednesday or something, apart from my regular schedule. Maybe.